Hi everybody, I'm Chad Newton, a registered nurse in Philadelphia, and today I just want to share with you part of my exercise routine. Normally I'm here in the kitchen cooking with the RN, but none of that would be any good if I didn't also exercise. So I'm just going to share with you some of the things that I do to stay in shape so that my body can be fit and my mind can be fit and that I can have a pretty good psychological well-being. So watch this video to see what else I do to stay healthy other than just eating healthy. So you can work out right in your house on your living room floor. I'll tell you about that. Or you can go running in the park. I'll tell you about running in the park. And I'll tell you about going out and riding my bicycle. So much fun. I get in my car and I head for the park, either to go ride my bicycle or to go for a run. Most times it's to go for a run. And when I get to the park, I just run and run and run. I love running. Yeah, so if you have trouble running, you can always walk. You know, the earth is not forcing you to run. It's just my preference. Look at that sun behind me. What a beautiful place. I think everyone would be a little healthier if they came out and enjoyed the trees and the water and the park while we still have it. You never know what could happen. Look how everything got shut down recently, you know? The next day, it's time to go ride the bicycle. Yeah, it's good to get out of the house, you know? Can't just stay in and watch TV all the time. Gotta ride the bicycle. Have a good time out here in the park. A different park, you know? Different day, different weather. Well, not too different, but it's nice out. So I will tell you right away, I am not a gym rat, so I don't like going to the gym. I used to go to the gym, but it's not really something that I like to do. I prefer to exercise at home, and then I prefer to exercise outside. So right now I'm going to do some ab work, alright? So I'm going to start with the ab work. Here we go. So I normally would do this. These crunches here. I do that. I do like 25 or 30 of those. All right. Then I do something like somebody showed me once, they called it the bicycle. It's like riding a bicycle. Do like 30 of those. So to continue right here on the living room floor, I'm going to do something that the person showed me called the scissors. So I'm just gonna lay down and do the scissors with my legs. See how things are looking like what scissors do? like when you're cutting cloth. So I do like 30 or 40 of those, and that's fun. I enjoy it. Okay. Then I turn on my side, and I don't know what you call this one, but it's basically working on your abs. Because for me, I don't really care about my arms, I don't care about my legs. It's really my belly that I worry about. So pretty much all exercise that I do is meant to help my belly. So I do like 30 of those. Then I turn on this side and I do another 30. Alright? Something like that. Till it hurts. I want to make sure it hurts a bit. Because if it's not hurting and you're not sweating, then it's really not enough exercise. So you've seen some of the things that I do to stay in shape. I hope you yourself are able to adapt and do some things to keep yourself in shape as well. That way we can continue having fun with each other on Cooking with the RN here on YouTube. As always, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My name is Chad Newton. Just subscribe on the bottom of the screen there, and share this video with your friends, and also let other people know about Chad Newton on YouTube, okay? I thank you so much. I'll see you around.